Hi friends, in this lecture we will study how to create concentric drawing objects. So for this we will click on File and we will select New. We will give the dimensions as 500 pixels by 500 pixels and then click on Create. Now we have our drawing board present before us and we can begin our illustration. We will begin by drawing one small circle somewhere over here, and I'll keep the shift key pressed so that I get a perfect circle. Once I have drawn the circle, I would like to rotate this circle. So if I want to rotate this circle, I'll click over here and I'll select the rotate tool. After that, I'll bring this center icon over here and I'll press the Alt key as well as the Shift key and rotate the object by 45 degrees. Then I'll release the left mouse button and the Alt key. Now, in the case of Illustrator, there is a beautiful command which is called as duplicate your last command. So the shortcut for that is Ctrl D. So if you press Ctrl D, whatever was your last command will start getting duplicated. And this way you can create an image. Now you can even select all of them and you can fill them with any color of your choice. After filling them, if you want, you can remove their borders as well. Then you can blend these images. So what I will do, I'll just zoom it so that you get a closer view, and I'll click on opacity and select darken, or I will select lighten. And this also depends on the type of color which you have selected. So I select this color and I select darken, click outside, see the effect, select everything, click on opacity, and you can say color burn and see the effect. You can also select them and you can adjust from here as well. And you can just experiment with the various filters and see how the effect gets applied to your object. And the image starts getting created. So this was done using the rotate command. Now we will see another way, another technique. So I'll delete this and I'll use the pen tool and I will draw one straight line and then give a kind of effect, something like this, and then I'll press enter and I will remove the fill effect also, and to the outline I'll give it the color as stroke color as black and let the thickness be 1 point. Now I'll right click on this line and I will select group. Then I will select effect and I'll select distort and transform, select transform. In transform, I'll say make number of copies as 10, and number angle should be 360 divided by 10, that is 36. You can take a preview and see how it looks. You can also adjust over here the vertically how the object changes, and you can also bring it close by to see the net result. You can see the object starts getting different shape. You can also change it horizontally and it starts getting a kind of shape. Then you can, I'll just make it a little bit big, click on OK, and you can see the effect. Now at any point of time you can double click over here, go into the group, and anything which you draw inside this, suppose I draw a circle, it will get repeated everywhere. If I fill that with a color, it will get repeated everywhere. Same way I draw another one here, it would get repeated everywhere. I would draw another one here, and still another one here, still another one in the center. So like this you can create complex images using the concept of concentric drawings. You can create some beautiful mandalas once you understand the theory behind this. So I would urge you to explore both the techniques which I have shown you, that is rotate technique as well as the transform and distort, and try to create some beautiful illustrations. So with this we'll end this lecture and we'll see you once again in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.